be a couple guys out playing soccer. What I'd like you to do is add sound effects for me. And Lisa, if you could add sound effects for Matt. We call this game sound effects. We're going to be a couple guys going out to play soccer. You guys add the sound effects for us, and we'll see how this works out, okay? Thank you for that round of indifference. Okay, so here we go. A couple guys out playing soccer. All right.
Ready for the big game?
Oh my gosh, I sure am. How you doing?
Oh, I've been rested all night.
Really, I was, and I've been dancing.
Wow.
Yeah. So, all right, you got all your gear?
Yeah, it's pretty heavy too. I think I'm going to set it down.
All right. Kind of why we gave it to you.
I'm so nervous for this game.
Really?
I'm losing my lunch. Yeah.
Really? Mine actually looks heavier than for yours. Let me put mine down.
Doug.
I often make comic book choices.
Oh, yeah, that's why I got you on the team. A little fun, you know?
Yeah, all right, well.
I got some new gear. You want to see it?
Oh, do I
Oh,
ever?
let me open my bag. Here's the first thing, a crow.
Really?
That scares the other team, but I'll open it off the side right now.
Okay.
I should have opened the window.
Yeah, that was awkward.
Look at these shoes, my friends.
I think he's still alive. I think you need to do mouth to crow resuscitation.
Yeah, I'll get to that. Check out these shoes.
Those are nice. I like those.
My favorite part is, you know how like little kids have those, what?
Kevin, I just can't wait to hear what your favorite part is. I'm as giddy as a 3-year-old.
You know, little kids wear the shoes with the lights that light up, right?
Yeah?
Mine make noises when you step.
Great!
Yeah. Let me put them on real fast.
Wow, they make shoe noises.
Yeah, but it's designer shoe noises. I paid extra for that.
Oh, okay. Dude, stop stepping on the crow.
Let me turn them off. I don't want them to wear out. Make a pop.
Boy, I can't wait to see what's in my bag. Let me just open it up here.
Just an air.
Yeah, my crow died about an hour ago. I got a brand new soccer ball. I got that right here, and then can you hold it for a minute? I got to put some air in it because it's new.
Yeah.
I got my air pump here. So let's see. First of all, you got to moisten the hole. So let me just spin on it. I got a cold. Thank you, but the smell will work fine. All right, now let me just take it off. Let's put the needle in the hole. Sorry. Okay, and then I'll just pump it out. All right. Apparently, I don't need the pump.
Let me test to see if it's blowing up enough. I'll bounce it. Oh. Really moved.
Of course, now you hit the crow again.
Here, do you want to try it?
Boing. Boing. Boing.
Well, it is a soccer ball, so let's see how it's working here. Good. Want to share?
All right. I think that ball back and forth to each other.
Well, that should be interesting. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Well, I know. Why don't you turn your shoes back on?
That's a good idea.
All right. I'm going to kick it over to you.
I'm ready for
All
it.
right, here we go.
I'm going to sneeze it over to you.
Wait a minute. Hey, that's gross. Get somebody out here with a green shirt. Oh, boy. Yeah, I feel better now. I don't think I'll be sneezing anymore.
If the coach catches you, he's not going to let you catch.
I know. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here you go.
Kick.
One of those coffee boys. Let me try.
Okay, couldn't be any worse. There was a bad. I got it. Here you go.
All right.
I gotta get some airporters inside here.
The game's about to start. We should probably put on the rest of our gear.
Oh, we got more gear?
I think so.
What else we got?
Oh, yeah, the shin guards.
Oh, that was
Just
good.
popped in my mind. Let me get those out. Oh, those are heavy. Look at yours.
All right, I'll get my shin guards out of my bag.
You a little nervous?
I shouldn't have gone to Del Taco. All right. Well, I'm going to strap these babies on. These are those special ones with the Velcro.
Oh, good.
Now, Mom, let me just pull that Velcro strap. Boy, my sneezes are coming slower.
Choo.
Sure did. Good thing there's only one more Velcro strap. There's just one more Velcro strap. Here I go.
Rip.
I got mine on.
Well, I already slipped mine off, but I hope you got them up the tape, so let me get that going.
You're rapping faster than your sound effect.
Let me get the other one. I guess I'm done with that
All right, you ready to go play?
one. I'm ready. We're gonna have a good game today.
I think we're having a great game, but before you get started, you gotta blow that whistle.
All right, let me get it.